Hi, I'm Andy, and today I'm delighted to present to you a fantastic refurbished 2-bedroom mid-terrace house in the popular location of Seymour Road in Chatham. So if we have a look here, it's split over 3 floors and comes unfurnished and spans 731 square feet. And that includes 2 open plan reception rooms on the ground floor, a brand new modern kitchen, brand new bathroom sharing the lower ground floors, and then upstairs there's 2 spacious double bedrooms. And it also comes with a level rear garden. So looking inside now, you'll see some of the photos. You can see the property has been refurbished, to a fantastic standard with neutral decor throughout. The reception rooms are spacious, bright and open plan due to the fact that they are open plan. On the lower ground, you've got the kitchen and the bathroom and access out into the garden. The kitchen you'll see has got cream fixtures and fittings and comes with an oven and a hob, and the bathroom you'll see has a bath with a shower over the top of it. And then upstairs you've got both double bedrooms, decorated again to the same high standard as the rest of this property, and both have some built-in storage and one of them comes with a really attractive fireplace. So situated just a few minutes from Chatham town centre, you're in an ideal location with easy access to all the high street shops and the Pentagon shopping centre. Plus the train station is only a short walk away for those quick links into London, and the bus station for more localised links. So if you think this one could work for you, then give us a call, and I look forward to showing you around, and hopefully you can be living here soon and you'll be the first one living in this brand new, fully refurbished house.